One day, a little blue fish followed after him. "Rainbow fish, wait for me. Please give me one of your shiny scales. They are so wonderful and you have many of them." "What? You want me to give you one of my special scales? Who do you think you are? Get away from me." Shocked, the little blue fish swam away. He was so sad and he told all his friends what had happened. From then, no one would ask the rainbow fish to play anymore. They would turn away whenever he swam by, and they stopped admiring how beautiful his scales are. One day he poured out his troubles to the starfish. "I really am beautiful. Why doesn't anybody like me?" "I'm sorry, rainbow fish, but I can't answer that for you," said the starfish. "But beyond the coral reef is the deep cave. There you will find the wise octopus. Maybe she can tell you." The rainbow fish then went to go find the deep cave. The rainbow fish finally found the deep cave, and it was very dark inside and he couldn't see anything. Then suddenly two eyes caught him in their glare. An octopus emerged from the darkness. "I have been waiting for you," said the octopus with a deep voice. "The waves have told me your story. You are unhappy because no one wants to play with you. You feel that others have wronged you, but it is you who has been wrong. This is my advice. Give a glittering scale to each of the other fish. You'll no longer be the most beautiful fish in the sea, but you will discover how to be happy." "I can't," said the rainbow fish. But the octopus had already disappeared into a dark cloud of ink. "Give away my scales, my beautiful shiny scales. Never! How could I ever be happy without them?" Suddenly he felt a light touch of a fin. The little blue fish was back. "Rainbow fish, please don't be angry. I just want one little scale." The rainbow fish wavered. "Only one very, very small shimmery scale," he thought. "Well, maybe I wouldn't miss just one." Carefully, the rainbow fish pulled out the smallest scale and gave it to the little fish. Thank you, rainbow fish. Thank you very much." The little blue fish bubbled playfully as he tugged the shiny scale among the blue ones. A rather peculiar feeling came over the rainbow fish. For a long time, he watched the little blue fish swim back and forth with his new scale glittering in the water. The blue fish whizzed through the ocean with his tail flashing. So it didn't take long before the rainbow fish was surrounded by the other fish. Everyone wanted a glittering scale. "Me too, rainbow fish. Can I have one too?" said the other fish. The rainbow fish shared his scales left and right, and the more he gave away, the more delighted he became. When the water around him filled with glimmering scales, he at last felt at home among the other fish. In the end, the rainbow fish had only left one shiny scale. His most prized possession had been given away, yet he was very happy. "Come on, rainbow fish, come and play with us." "Here I come," said the rainbow fish. And happy as a splash, he swam off to join his friends. The lesson we get from the story is: first, be humble. The rainbow fish didn't want to play with the other fish because he thought that he is too beautiful to mingle with them. Never look down on anybody. Treat everyone with dignity and respect. You may be successful and beautiful, but that doesn't put you above everybody else. Remember, we all have our unique gifts, talents, strengths, and weaknesses. Be humble enough to know that you are far from perfect, but confident enough to know that you can do anything you set your mind to. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching our channel.